Now in this case, that's a tuple, which is going to take in the x, y, and z values. Next, I want to turn on subdivision caps. So we want this cylinder to be closed in. And finally, I'm going to pass in the name. So one of the function parameters is name, and this allows us to provide names to each of our tires. Next, I'll position the tire based on the translate x, y, and z values that are being passed in. And this is just going to use the setAttr command. And for this, I'll be modifying the translate attribute. And once again, we're going to be modifying the transform node. So this is index 0 in our tire list. And then I'll pass in the translate x, translate y, and translate z values. Finally, I want to return the tire transform node name. So this is simply going to be return, and the same as the body. We'll be doing tire index 0. So now we've created a function that will allow us to create a single tire. If I just comment out our create tire line, we can test it out quickly by just calling create tire. And I'm going to call this my tire. I'm going to give it a width, let's say, of 2, a radius of 0.5, and then we'll position it at 0, 0, and 2 in Z. When I run this now and jump back inside of Maya, you can see that I have an oddly shaped tire visible in my screen. So once again, I'll just delete that and jump back into my script editor. We'll just get rid of the call to create a tire and restore create car. So now that we're able to create one tire, we can quickly create all 4 of our tires inside of the create tires function. The first thing we need to do, though, is calculate the dimensions of our tire. So the first thing we're going to do is calculate our tire width, which in this case I've just set to 0.25 times the body width.